What's up, guys? Joe Smith here again. A lot of you guys that check me out, you probably also watch the Den of Tools channel, Mr. Bear. He's been kind of doing some testing between some different air compressors and showing them off. So Joe Smith here figured he'd show you guys Joe Smith's air compressor here. It's like a 80-gallon tank, I think. Maybe it's 100. Give or take, something like that. As you can see, 3-piston compressor. I had correct Mr. Bear in one of his videos because he said they only make single or 2-cylinder compressors. And it's like, well, how do you explain this 3-cylinder compressor I got, say, in my garage? And this is a Leeson 220 continuous duty motor. I think it's rated like 5 horse or something. It's all wired up via 220. Got some different connections or filters back there. There's more over here. And then I kind of got the whole place hard pipe with iron pipe. And got some hose reels too, here and there. And that's my little welding table over there. And I got a bunch of welding rod in the cabinet. Yeah, some more tools and wire and stuff. Yeah, I got it all pumped full of air. I have to run it for a little while to let some air off for you guys to hear it run, but it's not really that loud. I mean, it's not as quiet as some quiet air, California quiet compressors, but it's a lot quieter than your typical compressor. It's an oil bath compressor. I got it set at like 175. I think I can go up to like 200 psi. I'm not sure the exact CFM, but like the piping in the back there, that's for a 1/2-inch connection, whereas the rest is for 3/8 connections. So I can run a 3/4 1-inch impact then plugged into the other connection. Yeah, I got it pretty cheap. Cleaned it up and spray painted it. Been working ever since. Had it like some 10 years now. Love it. It'll run anything, even a DA sander. It'll even run the tire machine I got over there. Yeah, that's right, I got a tire machine. Ha 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 ha. Okay, well, just I share. They know what Joe Smith uses for air compressor for Joe Smith's Air Tools. Have a good weekend, guys. Joe Smith signing out.